In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide a conversation on WhatsApp Messenger on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and on an iPhone, first off, we need to open our WhatsApp and then head over to our chats. Then, if we would like to hide some chat from that list, we can easily do so. All we have to do is just swipe to the left on a conversation you would like to hide and then tap at Archive. What that will do, that will move that conversation to Archived Conversations. We can easily then head over to Archived, where we can find all the conversations we've archived. However, to keep that conversations archived, even if we get new messages, we need to head over to Settings. I'm going to show you from the scratch. So once you get into Settings, you need to head over to Chats. And then just make sure that Keep Chats Archived option is turned on. Archived chats will remain archived when you receive a new message while this option turned on. To hide or archive a conversation on an Android, we just need to long press on a conversation until it shows us that options at the very top, and then to archive a chat, just tap right here at that button, and what that will do, that will move it to archived. That's where we can easily find it. And also in the same way, to keep all the chats archived, we need to head over to Settings, then Chats, and that's where we can easily find the same option. Also, guys, to unarchive a conversation, we should act in the same way, just long press on it and tap at that button to unarchive it. The same on an iPhone. So to unarchive a conversation, we need to head over to Archive, then swipe to the left, and then tap at Unarchive to move it back to the main chats list. Here it is. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.